everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. Hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to do a Valentine/baby shower centerpiece, styling it 4 different ways. If you think you may be interested in making this project, just continue to keep watching and let's get into making this centerpiece. For this project you will need 1 rose ball, 1 large wine glass, 1 regular wine glass, 1 glass tea light, 1 small LED light, ribbon, 1 rosebud, and some bling wrap. Make sure you clean your wine glass because it does make a difference in your decor. To design the bottom of our glass, we are using a strip of gems, but you could use whatever you choose to use to design the bottom of your glass. If you like to use bling wrap, you can do that as well. We're going to place the tea light candle onto the rose ball. We're just positioning it because we are going to put a LED light inside of the tea light. If you choose not to put a light inside of your rose ball or the tea light, then you can skip this process and just glue the rose ball to the wine glass. For this part, we are gluing the petals onto the wine glass, and you can use regular petals. We are using styrofoam petals, and that is to match the rose ball. We're doing 2 layers of petals, but if you choose to do 1 layer of petals, then that's perfectly fine. are using green leaves to awaken the flower that is under the vine glass. We think it adds a hint of elegance. You don't have to use it. It's totally up to you. This part is optional. We're going to show you 4 ways to style this centerpiece. So comment down below and let us know which way you would style this centerpiece. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all new notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.